Just unboxing one of our G4 Tub Canopies. It's going on this beautiful white Hilux here today. And I'll show you guys what the difference is between a G4 and a flatpack canopy. So when you buy a G4 Canopy, that's the box that you'll get it in. And when we open the box, have a look there. You can see the canopy is already fully assembled for you. So you're not going to get 5 or 6 different boxes. You're not going to get canopies in like 1,000 different parts with 1,000 bolts, nuts and washers that you got to figure out how to put together. You're not going to get 5 different panels that you have to put together, bolt and then silicone all of the seams, which may or may not work out in the end, and it may loosen over time. So that is clearly a better way of doing it. And as you can see, we've already got the canopy ready, right? And if you have a look at it, the finish and the quality of the powder coating is exceptional. This is a very hard wearing powder coat that's meant to withstand and really hide all those small scratches that comes from use. When you're driving out in the bush and you get pinstripes, that's not going to show it, right? The canopies come with all the parts needed for the installation. So these parts here, which are on the ground, packed inside the canopy, you just open the door, reach in and pull it out. What we've got here as you can see, we've got custom designed from the 3D scans of the vehicle brackets that are designed to be attached to the load-bearing points in your vehicle's tub, and this helps spread the load and not put all of the load of the canopy and whatever you're carrying on top onto the top rail, and this prevents damaging and cracking on your vehicle's tub for when you're loading it up with a lot of gear, such as a rooftop tent, awnings and whatnot. You're going to have a lot of weight, and that strengthens and transfers that weight into the load-bearing parts of the tub. You'll get a long length of a rubber seal, and that's going to be more than what you'd need, so you just cut off the excess. And this rubber seal, you would put it on the top edge of the tub, and it forms a seal between the tub and the canopy. Get your installation manual, you get your clamp brackets as well, and you get your bag of hardware, which are high-grade stainless steel. You also get some zip ties, which will help when you're wiring up your lights to keep all of your wiring nice and tidy and out of the way. And just like that, the boys have done a fantastic job. As you can see behind me, we've got the G4 Canopy fitted on the new GR Hilux. Let's do a quick walkthrough. So this is our brand new hybrid construction canopy, which means we've got stainless on the frame and the load-bearing parts of it, and we've got aluminium on the doors. Best of both worlds, strong and light. You've got your dual compression locks on the canopy doors, and you've got your stainless steel gas struts, which makes it easy to open. As you saw there, the internal light of the canopy turns on when you open the door. Let's pop this down. If you want to have a look, see, we've got vehicle specific mounting brackets, as you can see here. In this corner, this bracket attaches to the factory mounting points in the tub. And we've got the same sort of brackets in the other corners as well. The canopy has been designed from a 3D scan of the vehicle, so it will be millimeter precise in terms of the fitting. So you end up with a very nice and flush fit that actually suits your ute and makes use of all of those load bearing points on the vehicle tub for the install. Now we've got the side glass on this one, and I'll just show you how that works. So you can open that on the inside. Now for all of you who have pets and, for example, you carry your dog in the back, this is an essential option because it allows you to have that open while you're driving and get some nice airflow in the canopy. And you can open this from the inside, but you can close it for convenience. You can close it from the outside as well. And you've got these drain holes here. As you can see, you've got 2 of them, and that allows any water that falls into there. And there's an inbuilt channel on the inside. Right there's a channel, and any water that falls in from there will just drain out of those. You'll notice that the roof rails on the canopy come pre-fitted. 150 kilos of dynamic load, 300 plus kilos of static load, which means you can carry all of your camping setup, your rooftop tent, your awning, etc., mounted directly on the rails. One of the coolest things about our G4 Canopy are the lights, as you can see. A lot of customers say that they've been stopped by other people who are curious to know which canopy they have. It's because of these lights, which are the most recognizable part of this canopy. Now this is a multifunctional LED light. Right now we've got them on with the parkers, and as you can see they turn on with the brakes as well. So you've got brake and parker functionality with the red lights, as you can see. That's not where it ends though, because then you've got sequential indicators like that, and that, in my opinion, is one of the coolest looking parts of this canopy. All our canopies come standard with the internal LED light, and you get the glass on the front and the rear of the canopy, which has the built-in protective mesh, and you get uni-strut channeling on the roof for easy installation of accessories. To find out the right G4 for your vehicle, click on the link below and get in touch with us today.